about another common commercial lease clause. Common lease clause is called the exclusive right clause. So this means that this gives you the right to be the only business that offers a specific product or a specific service. So let's say you are opening up a nail salon and you're going to be in a strip mall. You need to sign what we call an exclusive right clause, meaning you have the right to be the only nail salon in that strip mall. So I hope this helped. Make sure you follow me and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are an entrepreneur or real estate investor. If you're thinking about leasing or buying commercial real estate, you definitely want to